Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. JAL Plaza at Narita International Airport work under the concept delicious food always comes from the airport. We offer popular soraben and sora sweets, as well as local products perfect for air travel souvenirs. JAL Group exclusive JAL original goods, travel goods, and other miscellaneous goods. We look forward to welcoming you. JAL Plaza sells souvenirs and variety goods as well as bottled beverage, sandwiches, onigiri rice ball sets, and other light meals. It also has a wide lineup of gift confectionery, folk craft, and travel goods product lines. Snacks, bottled beverage, light meals, folk craft, Royce, Shiroi Koibito. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. JAL Pay. Get bonus miles when you use JAL Pay. Pay with JAL Pay at JAL Plaza stores and receive 200 yen equals 2 miles in JAL Plaza miles. When you pay by scan code with JAL Pay, you can earn 200 yen equals up to 8 miles, including shopping miles and JAL Plaza miles. Please like, share, and subscribe. JAL Card authorized dealers. By paying with your JAL card, you earn double shopping miles and bonus miles. When you pay with a JAL card, you earn double your regular shopping miles in addition to bonus miles. If you are enrolled in JAL Card Shopping Miles Premium, 100 yen equals 4 miles. If you are not enrolled in JAL Card Shopping Miles Premium, 200 yen equals 4 miles. Asterisk, please note that various contactless payments may not be eligible. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. WAON Mile Authorized Dealer. When you make WAON payments with eligible cards, you earn double miles. By using the following eligible cards, you can earn 2 miles for 200 yen instead of 1 mile per 200 yen spent on WAON payments. Eligible cards: JMB WAON Card and JMB Card WAON Integrated Type. Mobile JMB WAON. Some stores and products are excluded. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.